Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the video storage locations in CapCut for PC. So maybe if you guys have a difficulty to find where is your exported video that you edit on CapCut, maybe it's time you change the video storage locations, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first, before exporting your video, so just click on export. Here there is an option to export to. So if you want to change the video storage location, you can just click on the folder icon in here and then find the folders that you think that you will find it easily in your computer. For example, I want to just move it to, let's say, pictures, for example, and then here I'm going to just add a new folder and click on CapCut video, let's say, and then click on this folder, and after that click on select folder, and then it will be saved into the folder that you choose before. So just click on export and just wait until the video exported, and you can find it later in the folder that you created before. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can change the video storage location in CapCut for PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!